If you're someone who craves adventure, loves the thrill of the unknown, and is always searching for the next jaw-dropping view, you absolutely need to watch this. Utah is a land sculpted by time, wind, and water, a place where every corner reveals a new wonder, and every trail leads to a scene that feels almost otherworldly. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or just someone who dreams of wild places, Utah's natural wonders will ignite your imagination and leave you longing for more. But here's the thing. Why aren't more people talking about Utah's natural wonders? With landscapes that rival the world's most famous destinations, Utah remains a hidden gem for many. It's a place where the silence is vast, the air is crisp, and the scenery is so grand it almost feels unreal. From towering red rocks to endless salt flats, Utah is a playground for anyone who loves the outdoors. Let's take a journey together and explore 7 places in Utah that look straight out of a dream. These are the kinds of places that make you stop in your tracks, pull out your camera, and wonder if you've somehow stepped onto another planet. Each destination is unique, each one a masterpiece of nature's artistry, waiting for you to discover. First up, Delicate Arch, a sandstone giant that stands proudly in Arches National Park. This natural arch is more than just a rock formation. It's an icon of the American Southwest. As the sun sets, the arch glows with fiery oranges and reds, perfectly framing the vast desert beyond. Hiking up to Delicate Arch is an experience in itself, with every step revealing new perspectives and breathtaking views. It's a place where you can truly feel the power of nature and the passage of time. Next, we journey to Zion Canyon, where massive red cliffs rise dramatically toward the sky, creating a cathedral of stone. Every view here is breathtaking, from the lush valley floor to the dizzying heights of Angel's Landing. Zion is a hiker's paradise, with trails that wind through narrow slot canyons, past emerald pools, and along sheer rock faces. The play of light and shadow on the canyon walls is a sight you'll never forget. You can't miss Bryce Amphitheater, especially at sunrise. Here, thousands of fiery hoodoos, those tall, thin spires of rock, glow in shades of orange, pink, and gold as the first light of day washes over them. The landscape is so unique, it almost feels like you're walking through a forest made of stone. Every viewpoint offers a new angle, a new wonder, and a new reason to fall in love with Utah. Then there's Canyonlands National Park, a vast wilderness of endless mesas, winding rivers, and rugged terrain. It's a place where you can truly get lost in the wild, surrounded by dramatic cliffs and deep canyons carved by the Colorado and Green Rivers. The views stretch for miles, and the sense of solitude is unmatched. Whether you're gazing out from island in the sky or exploring the remote Maze District, Canyonlands is pure adventure. Monument Valley's iconic buttes are more than just rock formations. They're legends of the American West. These towering sandstone giants have been featured in countless films and photographs, but nothing compares to seeing them in person. The landscape is both stark and beautiful, with deep red earth and endless blue skies. It's a place that feels timeless, where the spirit of the land is almost tangible. The Bonneville salt flats shimmer under the sun like another planet, blinding white, impossibly flat, and unbelievably beautiful. This vast expanse of salt stretches as far as the eye can see, creating a surreal landscape that's perfect for photography, racing, or simply marveling at nature's extremes. Walking on the salt flats feels like stepping onto the surface of the moon. And at Dead Horse Point, you'll witness dramatic cliffs plunging down to a sweeping river bend far below. The views here are nothing short of spectacular, especially at sunrise or sunset when the colors of the canyon come alive. It's a place that captures the wild spirit of Utah, offering a panorama you'll never forget. Utah's wild beauty is calling, 7 natural wonders, each with its own story, each waiting for you to explore. Are you ready to answer the call and discover the magic for yourself? If you enjoyed this journey through Utah's natural wonders, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your fellow adventurers. Your support helps us bring you even more amazing destinations. So join our community and let's keep exploring together.